Before we look at the pieces, let's talk about what intangible cultural heritage means. Unlike buildings or monuments, intangible heritage includes traditions, skills, and knowledge passed down through generations. These can include traditional craftsmanship, performing arts, social practices, and even oral traditions. In China, there are over 1,500 items on the National ICH list, which means many are known at the provincial levels. The Beijing Tianjin Hebei building alone has hundreds of ICH items, making pottery to kite making, from polisson to traditional paper cutting, and this exhibition brings some of them together in one place. This exhibition is a collaboration between many organizations. The main organizers include the Beijing Arts and Crafts Technician College and the Binhai Art Museum. It started with the China Art and Crafts Society in the 2001. Supporting the exhibition of Beijing Cultural Arts Fund, Beijing Government Group, the Beijing Industry, and so on. So, through the exhibition, you will find a stunning array of Brazilian maps. Some of the highlights include this one. It's pretty impressive, right? Cloisonne, a technique where animal is applied to objects. It's been practiced in China for over 600 years. Look at these two masterpieces you can see here. Wow. Jade carving, a traditional culture that dates back thousands of years. This piece requires immense patience and skill. Look at this white jade. It's beautiful. And there's more. Look at this. Necklaces. So beautiful. And this clock made of gold. Wow. Look at the other gold necklace, bracelet. Two bracelets there. Necklaces, maybe white gold. Another gold. Oh, amazing. Look at this golden lampshade. What's going on? These balls. Golden balls. Another jade masterpiece here. Look at this golden rooster. It's amazing. Oh, it's real gold. So, here's something interesting. In China, intangible cultural heritage is protected by law. The country has a tiered system. National, provincial, municipal, and country level list. To become a national ICH item or intangible cultural heritage item, a practice must have a